Tap on this feature to see a list of apps that can be duplicated. Find WhatsApp in the list and enable the toggle next to it. After enabling, a second WhatsApp icon will appear on your home screen or app drawer. Tap this new icon to open the second WhatsApp instance. You will need to set it up just like your first WhatsApp account. Enter a different phone number than the one used on your main account. Verify the number via SMS or call. Follow all on-screen instructions to complete setup. Once setup is complete, you now have two WhatsApp accounts running independently on the same phone. You can send messages, make voice or video calls, and receive notifications separately for each account. If your phone doesn't have the dual apps feature, don't worry. You can use a third-party app such as Parallel Space or Dual Space. These apps are available on the Google Play Store. Install the app, open it, and choose Clone WhatsApp. Inside the cloned environment, enter your second phone number and verify it to start using the second account. Keep in mind that each WhatsApp account requires a unique phone number to function. Otherwise, you won't be able to verify your number. With this method, you can manage your personal and work chats separately on one device, avoiding confusion and keeping things organized. You can also rename the second WhatsApp icon or use different notification tones for each account. This way, you'll instantly know which account received a message without opening the app. Using multiple WhatsApp accounts on a single phone is useful for those who have two phone numbers and only have one phone, such as business owners who have a separate business line or individuals who have personal and work accounts on the same phone. It is also helpful for those who want to keep their personal and professional lives separate. For example, you can use one WhatsApp account for personal chats and the other for work-related communications. This can help prevent your personal contacts from seeing your work-related chats and vice versa. In addition, using two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone allows you to receive notifications from both accounts at the same time. This can be useful if you need to stay on top of both personal and work-related messages. Furthermore, you can use different notification tones for each account, making it easy to distinguish between personal and professional messages without even opening the app. Finally, using an app like Parallel Space or Dual Space is a good alternative for those who do not have the dual apps feature on their phone. These third-party apps are safe to use as long as you download them from a reputable source like the Google Play Store. However, it's important to note that these apps do require additional permissions and may consume more battery power. That's all for this video. If it helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.